Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, Israeli partners assured concerns on MR SSM production. Bharat Electronics Limited, a prominent defense technology company in India, is actively engaged in discussions with its Israeli partner to mitigate potential impacts caused by the ongoing conflict in Israel. While BEL acknowledges that some disruptions are expected in the short term, it remains optimistic about the commitment from its Israeli counterparts to minimize these effects. Next, MIT Chennai to supply 500 cargo drones to Indian Army. The Indian Army is set to deploy around 500 drones developed using technology from MIT Chennai for logistics operations in challenging terrains like the northeast and high altitude landscapes. This initiative aims to replace traditional means of transport such as mules and helicopters, particularly for supplying medicines and essential items to remote border observation posts. Next, US-India Partnership Forum on Biden-Xi meet. The summit between US President Joe Biden and his Chinese counterpart Xi Jinping here is an important one, and key global players like India will be watching its outcome very closely. The head of a top India-centric business and strategic group has said. Next, manufacturing components for A320, A33neo and A350 in India. ACUS Private Limited, an aerospace company, components manufacturer based in Karnataka's Belgaum, revealed on November 15 that it had entered into a contract with Airbus for the supply of components for its single Astley family of aircraft, including the A320, A330neo and A350, and spanning a period of 10 years. Next, PM Modi unveils fighter jet used in 1971 war. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday unveiled a decommissioned MiG-211 fighter jet that was used in the 1971 Bangladesh Liberation War at the Raj Bhawan here. Jharkhand Governor C.P. Radhakrishnan and Chief Minister Hemant Soren were also present on the occasion. Next, Sarang helicopters team and Tejas jet impress at Dubai Airshow. The Indian Air Force team at the Dubai Airshow captivated audience with their aerobatics and precision flying. India showcased the indigenously developed Tejas aircraft and a daredevil display of the Sarang helicopter, more team flying another indigenously developed helicopters for Dhruv ALH. Next, ThyssenKrupp's Type 214 offer to India will be enlarged variant. German shipbuilder ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems has responded to the request for proposal issued by the Indian Navy with an enticing offer. An enlarged variant of its renowned Type 214 submarine. The proposal submarine, tailored to meet the specific requirements of the Indian Navy, is set to surpass the Calvary class submarine acquired under the P-75 program. Next, challenges and opportunities in India's high priority military projects. India's Ministry of Defense has embarked on an ambitious journey to develop and execute high priority military projects under the Special Purpose Vehicle model. This approach involves a government agency leading the project and partnering with private sector companies to develop critical technologies and components. Thank you.